Have you ever talked to a stranger?
Every day.
Really?
The person at the bakery, the man waiting for the bus, the woman in the lift.
Those are strangers?
And every single one was a conversation.
But what do you say? How do you even start?
That is exactly what we are doing today. Welcome to Easily Speak English. I am Mia.
And I am Noah. And today we are learning something very real.
Talking to strangers in English.
Not in a classroom, not in a textbook.
In real life. In real moments with real people.
We are going to show you tiny, real moments between strangers.
Small scenes, real English, natural conversations.
And after each scene, we explain everything.
Let's meet some strangers. Scene 1. A bus stop. Morning. Noah is waiting. Mia arrives. She looks at the timetable, then at Noah. Excuse me, do you know if the number 7 has been? I don't think so. I have been here about 5 minutes and nothing yet. Oh, good. I thought I missed it. No, I think we are both waiting for the same bus. Well, good company at least. Definitely. Let's look at that scene. First phrase, has the bus been? Been here means already passed, already came and went. Do you know if the number 7 has been? Very natural English question at a bus stop.
I don't think so. Soft answer. Not no, but I don't think so. More gentle, more honest.
I thought I missed it. Missed here means arrived too late. The bus already left without me.
Good company, at least. Remember this from before? Silver lining. Finding something positive in a waiting situation.
Short scene. 2 strangers. 1 shared moment. Real English. Scene 2. A supermarket. Noah is looking at 2 similar products. Confused. Mia walks past. She sees his face.
She stops.
Sorry, I couldn't help but notice. Are you trying to decide between those 2?
Yes. Is it that obvious?
A little. I actually use that one. The one on the left.
Oh, really? Is it good?
Really good. My whole family loves it.
Sold. Thank you so much.
Enjoy. Beautiful short scene. Let's break it down. I couldn't help but notice. This is a very natural and polite way to say, I saw something. I noticed without trying.
It softens the moment. It says, I was not staring. I just happened to see.
Is it that obvious? Funny and self-aware. The person knows they looked confused.
Sold. This is a fun expression. It means, I am convinced. You persuaded me. I will take it.
Like an auction. Sold to the highest bidder. But in casual conversation, sold means, okay, you convinced me. Done.
My whole family loves it. Personal recommendation. This makes the stranger feel trusted.
People trust real personal experience more than anything else. Scene 3. A park. A sunny afternoon.
Mia is sitting on a bench reading.
Noah sits at the other end of the same bench.
A moment of silence. Then,
It is such a beautiful day, isn't it?
it really is. We needed this after last week.
Right? So much rain.
I had almost forgotten what the sun looked like.
Me too. I came straight here after work.
Same. Best decision I made all day. The weather opener. Classic. Timeless. Works everywhere.
It is such a beautiful day, isn't it? Notice the tag question. Isn't it? It invites agreement. It opens the door.
We needed this. We here means everyone. Not just me. All of us. It creates shared feeling.
After last week? Reference to shared experience. Both people lived through the same rainy week.
I had almost forgotten what the sun looked like. Slightly poetic, a little funny, very relatable.
Almost forgotten. Hyperbole. Exaggeration for effect. We say things like this all the time in natural English.
Best decision I made all day. Big statement about a small thing, sitting in the park. But it feels true.
These small moments of honesty, they connect strangers instantly.
Scene 4. A gym. Noah is waiting for a machine. Mia finishes using it.
She sees him waiting. Oh, sorry. Were you waiting for this?
No worries. I just got here, actually.
Oh, good. I didn't want to keep you waiting.
Not at all. Is it a good machine?
The best one here, honestly. Worth the wait. Good to know. I'm new here, still figuring everything out.
Oh, welcome. You will love it. Everyone is really friendly.
That is great to hear. Thank you.
Of course. Good luck.
Short, warm scene. Let's look at the phrases.
Were you waiting for this? Checking in. Making sure. Considerate and polite.
No worries. Very casual reassurance. Do not worry. It is fine. Everything is okay.
I didn't want to keep you waiting. I didn't want to cause you inconvenience.
Not at all. Strong reassurance. Absolutely not. You did not inconvenience me at all.
Worth the wait. This thing was so good, it was worth waiting for.
Still figuring everything out. I am new. I am learning. I don't know everything yet.
This phrase is honest and vulnerable, and people always respond to it warmly.
You will love it. Confidence on behalf of someone else. I am sure about this for you. Scene 5. A lift. A small space. 2 strangers.
Noah gets in. Mia is already inside.
They both look at the doors. Silence for 2 seconds.
Floor 3?
4, please.
Presses the button. A pause.
Thank you.
Of course.
Another pause. Then,
These lifts are so slow, aren't they?
so slow. I usually take the stairs, but I have too many bags today.
That is always how it is.
Lift arrives. Both smile. Both get out.
Have a good day.
You too. Thanks.
The lift scene. Maybe the hardest stranger situation.
A very small space. No escape. Silence feels loud.
And yet, 2 simple sentences made it warm.
Floor 3. Short, practical help. No full sentence needed. Just the number.
Of course. Automatic warmth. Natural response to thank you. Very British. Very common.
These lifts are so slow, aren't they? Shared complaint. Again, shared complaints work every time.
I usually take the stairs, but honesty. A small personal fact. It opens the person up.
That is always how it is. Agreement. Understanding. I know exactly what you mean.
Have a good day. Warm closer. Works everywhere. Every time.
And the smile. The smile is always part of the conversation.
Mia, 5 scenes. What did they all have in common?
Let me think. Each one started with something shared.
Yes. The bus, the confusion, the weather, the gym, the lift. All shared moments.
Rule 1. Start with the moment you are both in. Not with yourself, with the shared situation.
Rule 2.
Keep it light. Nobody wants a deep conversation with a stranger in a lift.
True. Light and warm. Not heavy and serious.
Rule 3. 1 question or 1 comment. That is enough to open a door.
You don't need a plan. You don't need a speech.
Just 1 small thing. And see what happens.
1 small thing. That is the whole secret.
Quick note. Body language matters too.
Even in English, even without words, your body talks.
A smile says, I am friendly. I am safe. I am open to talking.
Eye contact says, I see you. I am present. I am listening.
Nodding says, yes, I understand. Keep going.
And turning slightly toward someone says, I am interested in this conversation.
You don't have to speak perfectly. If your body says, I am friendly, People feel it.
Body language crosses all languages.
Always.
Sometimes the conversation just stops.
A silence appears.
And it feels awkward.
But silences between strangers are okay.
You don't have to fill every silence.
If the silence feels natural, let it be.
If you want to keep talking, use one of today's openers again. Comment on something new.
Oh, look at that. Commenting on something you both can see.
It is getting busier in here. Observation about the environment.
So, have you been here before? Simple question. New direction.
A silence is not a failure. It is just a pause.
And pauses are human.
Okay, listeners, your challenge.
This week, one conversation, one stranger, one moment.
A bus stop, a supermarket, a park, a gym, a lift, anywhere.
Use one line from today.
Is this seat taken? It is such a beautiful day, isn't it? Were you waiting for this?
Just one line. See what happens.
And come back and tell us.
Write in the comments, I talked to a stranger this week. Here is what happened.
Even one sentence. Even if it was just, have a good day.
That counts. Every word counts. Fast review. All phrases from today.
Do you know if the bus has been? Asking at a bus stop.
I don't think so. Soft, honest answer.
I couldn't help but notice. Polite way to say I saw something.
Sold. I am convinced. I will take it.
It is such a beautiful day, isn't it? Classic weather opener.
We needed this. Shared feeling about something good.
No worries. Casual reassurance. Everything is fine.
Not at all. Strong reassurance. Absolutely.
Mia, which scene was your favorite today?
The supermarket. Because Mia stopped. She didn't have to. She just did.
That small decision to stop, that is what made the connection.
Most stranger conversations start with one small decision.
To speak or not to speak.
And when you choose to speak, something real can happen.
Even if it is just sold.
Even if it is just sold.
Listeners, choose to speak this week.
In English, with a stranger. Just once.
You never know where it goes.
Thank you for being here with us at Easily Speak English.
Please like this video if it helped you.
Share it with someone learning English.
And subscribe for a new episode every single week.
Take care, everyone.
See you next time.
Bye.